For centuries, humanity has looked up at the sky and questioned the shape of the world beneath our feet. While science has long established that Earth is a globe, a growing number of people believe otherwise. The flat Earth theory suggests that everything we've been told, from space travel to the shape of the planet, is part of an elaborate lie. They claim the horizon is always flat, that NASA fakes space missions, and that Antarctica is actually a giant ice wall hiding the edge of the Earth. But how much of this is curiosity-fueled skepticism, and how much is misinformation? In this video, we'll explore the core claims of the flat Earth theory, break down the evidence behind them, and examine what science has to say about it all. The horizon always appears flat. One of the most commonly cited arguments by flat Earth theorists is the observation that the horizon always looks flat, no matter how high you go. According to their perspective, if the Earth were truly a sphere with a circumference of about 40,000 kilometers, there should be a noticeable curve visible, especially when viewed from airplanes, high mountains, or even tall buildings. However, they argue that when you look out at the horizon, it consistently appears straight and level, stretching out in all directions. Flat earthers often point to photos and videos taken from commercial flights or drones at high altitudes, claiming these images show a flat line rather than a curved one. They also question why the curve isn't visible in live-action footage from space launches or weather balloons unless a fisheye lens is used, which they claim distorts the image to simulate curvature. This leads them to believe that the Earth may not be a globe at all, but rather a flat plane, and that mainstream science and space agencies are deliberately hiding the truth. NASA and space travel are faked. Flat Earth believers frequently claim that NASA and other space agencies are part of a massive global conspiracy designed to convince the public that Earth is a globe. They argue that all photos and videos of Earth from space are fabricated, created using CGI, fisheye lenses, or filmed in studios. One of their core beliefs is that the Apollo moon landings were staged, possibly directed on Earth by filmmakers like Stanley Kubrick, as part of Cold War-era propaganda. According to this theory, the US government needed a symbolic victory over the Soviet Union, and faking a moon landing was a powerful way to achieve it. Flat earthers also point to inconsistencies in official space footage, such as astronauts appearing to float with visible harnesses or lighting that seems unnatural in supposed zero-gravity environments. They claim that these flaws are evidence of deception, not scientific achievement. Furthermore, they argue that NASA's enormous budget, which runs into tens of billions of dollars annually, funds not space exploration but the continued production of fake imagery and staged events to keep the illusion alive. In their view, this deception isn't just a scientific hoax, it's part of a broader attempt to control the public's understanding of reality itself. Stop. Don't forget to like, leave a comment behind, and subscribe, since we have a new video every day. Now, let's roll back to the video. Antarctica as an ice wall. A central claim in the flat Earth theory is that Antarctica is not a continent at the southern pole of a globe, but rather a massive ice wall that encircles the flat Earth like the edge of a dinner plate. According to this belief, the ice wall is thousands of kilometers long and several hundred meters high, serving as a natural barrier that prevents water from falling off the edge of the Earth. Flat earthers often reference the Antarctic Treaty, which restricts certain types of travel and military activity in the region, as evidence that world governments are collectively hiding the truth and preventing ordinary people from exploring the ice wall. They also argue that very few people have actually seen Antarctica's true layout, claiming that photos from the South Pole are carefully staged or digitally altered. Some even suggest that guards or secret military forces patrol the ice wall to stop people from discovering what lies beyond it. Scientific debunking. This theory collapses under scientific scrutiny and real-world evidence. First, Antarctica has been extensively explored and mapped for over a century. Thousands of scientists, researchers, tourists, and even independent adventurers have visited the continent, especially since the late 20th century. There are multiple international research stations spread across Antarctica, like McMurdo Station, US, Concordia Station, France, Italy, and Vostok Station, Russia, which operate year-round and are accessible to international teams. Satellite imagery from different space agencies, NASA, ESA, JAXA, etc. Private companies, and even hobbyist weather balloons consistently show Antarctica as a continent at the South Pole, not as a circular wall around a flat Earth. The Antarctic Treaty, rather than being proof of a cover-up, actually promotes peaceful scientific cooperation and protects the region's fragile ecosystem from exploitation. Moreover, global travel itself disproves the flat Earth ice wall idea. Flights from places like New Zealand to Argentina or South Africa logically and efficiently cross the southern hemisphere, something that wouldn't be possible or consistent on a flat Earth map. All navigation systems, which rely on a globe-based model, work flawlessly, and ships or aircraft that travel near Antarctica don't encounter a mysterious wall, they encounter the coastline of a frozen continent. In short, while the ice wall theory may sound dramatic and cinematic, it doesn't hold up against the vast, verifiable data we have from modern science, exploration, and global navigation. The flat Earth theory, while persistent in some online circles, ultimately collapses under the weight of scientific evidence, practical navigation, and direct human experience. Claims about a flat horizon, staged space travel, and an Antarctic ice wall may sound intriguing or even conspiratorial, but they lack credible proof and rely heavily on misinterpretation, mistrust of institutions, and selective skepticism. Modern science, satellite data, and global exploration overwhelmingly confirm that Earth is a rotating sphere, not a flat disk hidden behind a grand deception. In an age where information is more accessible than ever, critical thinking and evidence-based understanding remain our most powerful tools against misinformation.